The government of Zimbabwe has admitted that completely getting rid of crime and corruption may be a tall order amid the reports that Zimbabwe has lost a staggering $9 billion with only 100 million recovered over the last 5 years. Sanapena mashoko abudanya kwapana pana kazimbe ashamisa vanhu panguva ino vachiti aiwa kuenda corruption panguva ino aiwa akuzi attainable nokuda kuti situation inoonekwa kunzi 9 billion aiwa inogovanisha in 5 years. Tinonyatsokushamisa vanhu kuti vasubscribe like vatonda bell icon. Tinotombera mubudanya kwamuchinzi the revelation came during a session in parliament where Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage Minister Kazimbe responded to concerns over rising crime levels. Kazimbe said that while steps are being taken to tackle the issue, the total elimination of crime and graft is likely unattainable. Firstly, it is the responsibility of the police and it is the responsibility of the government to make sure there is peace. We have to nip crime in the bud. We have to prevent crimes from happening. However, let me start by saying that the government might not be able to stop crime totally because we cannot stop someone's thoughts. We have 15 or 16 million people in this country. As we are seated here, we do not know what people are thinking. Maybe someone is committing a crime as we are talking. Someone might be raping, beating up someone, and committing different crimes. It is not possible for the government to totally eradicate crime, corruption, and stealing. What we must do as a government is what I am going to explain, that we can take measures to lessen crime as we work towards the prevention of criminal activities. We are carrying out awareness campaigns every day. We have different programs that we are running where we are educating people not to keep large sums of money at home and to boast about having money, because by so doing you will be attracting thieves. This is one of the measures that we are taking. Mashoko arikuda panguva ino ationa na kazembe but ndo the solution of corruption panguva ino nyika yeZimbabwe kana crimes and the likes. Panguva ino panoonekwa kunzi some of the people vari mugovernment macho vari kuonekwa kunzi ndo vari allegations crime rates, corruption yakanyanyisa. Some of the people vanonzi vana wikinochivhayo and the likes ndo vanhu vari kunzi vangaitirwa awareness campaigns nezvigananda kunzi ngazvimire kuita corruption. Mashoko anoonekwa kunzi panguva ino these people amenoti vanoona macitizens eZimbabwe semadhows, zvidhori kana kuti vana. We never know. Mbudze mafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitwi. Ndako mesection yedu. Subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.